Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, we are going to revise ratio and proportion chapter. In today's session, we will go for solving questions from the exemplar solutions of the textbook NCERT. We solved up to the question number 10 in our previous session, that is part 1, and we solved MCQ type questions. So we will solve today from the question number 11 onwards. In the question number 11, we are given equality of two fractions where one fraction is 3/5 and the other fraction has denominator given 20 and numerator is given as a box. We need to find that missing number which is supposed to come in that box. Okay, here it is equality of two fractions or equality of two ratios gives us proportion. That means these two fractions are in, or these two ratios are in proportion. So how to find this missing number? To find the missing number, we know that product of means is equals to product of extremes, that we use here 3 into 20 is equals to that missing number whatever comes in the box into 5. Now missing number, if I assume it as x into 5 is equals to 3 into 20, and this 5 which is multiplying can be transposed the other side. It does division. So 3 into 20 upon 5 will give that missing number. So 5 ones are 5 fours are, therefore 3 into 4, 12 will be the missing number which can be written in this box. Okay, so this is the method of finding missing numbers in the box. Let us solve some more questions on it. Here question number 11 to 15 are of this type. Now I am giving question number 12. Question number 12, box upon 18 equals to 2/9. That means if I assume this missing number as y into 9 is equals to 2 into 18, and 9 on transposing it does division the other side of equality. So y is equals to 2 into 18/9. So 9 ones are 9 twos are 18. So y value is 2 twos 4. So I can fill this box with the number 4. Then question number 13, 8 upon box equal to 3.2 upon 4. So if I assume this box as z, so 8 into 4 is equals to 3.2 into z. So this 3.2 which is multiplying z can be transposed the other side. So 8 into 4 upon 3.2 equals to z. You know how to simplify this. Here 3.2 can be written as 32/10. So whereas 8 into 4 by 32/10, this denominator will be taken to the numerator. So this 32/10 becomes 10/32 here by taking the denominator to the numerator. So 8 ones are 8, 4s are 4 ones are and 4 ones are. Thus the value of z is equals to 10. We can fill 10 here. Now coming to the next question 14, 14 has got two fill in the blanks, or two boxes here, where first one is box upon 45 is equals to 16 by 40. We shall solve that by assuming this missing number as A. Therefore, A into 40 equals to 16 into 45. Now I am transposing 40 to the other side. So 16 into 45, 16 into, let me wipe out that little, (16 into 45 upon 40 is the value of A. You know how to cancel here. 5 9s are 5 8s are, and 8 1s are 8 2s are. So the value of A is 2 9s are 18. Similarly, you can find by assuming it this B, and 16 times B equals to 24 into 40, and B is equals to 24 into 40 upon 16. So here the value of B can be found 24 into 40 by 16. 8 5s are 8 2s are 2 12s are. So 12 5s 60 will be the value of B, this missing number. Now moving on to the last question in this section. 15th question has got 3 missing numbers. You can assume any variable for that missing number. But in short, do we have anything? Let me try. Here 16 upon 36 is a fraction given to us. If I simplify it, it becomes 4 4s are 4 9s are. That means 4 upon 9 is the simplest form or lowest form of the fraction 16 by 36. Now 4 upon 9 is equals to a missing number upon 63. Now 9 is becoming 63. That means when 9 is multiplied by 7 times, it becomes 63. So 7 4s, whatever is multiplying denominator should multiply numerator also to have proportional fraction. So this missing number is supposed to be 28. Similarly, 4 upon 9 is equals to 36 upon the missing number. Now 4 by 9 is equals to 36 by that missing number, where 4 is becoming 36. It becomes only on multiplying 4 by 9. So 4 9s 36. That means when numerator 4 is multiplied by 9, denominator 9 also to be multiplied by 9. So 9 9s are 81. So this missing number becomes 81. Similarly, 4 upon 9 is equals to the missing number upon 117. That means denominator 9 is becoming 117. It becomes only on multiplying it by 13. So 13 9s are 117. Similarly, numerator 4 also to be multiplied by 13. So 4 3s are is 52 is that missing number. So this is another method of reasoning it out in finding missing numbers. Okay. Now moving on to the next section of questions. The next section of questions are state whether the given statements are true or false. This is the section, another type of questions, true or false type of questions from 16 to 34. Now coming to the question number 16, they gave 3 by 8 equals to 15 by 40 straight away. Are they in proportion or not? You need to identify. How to identify? Very simple. Simplest form or lowest form of the both fractions, whether same or not, you need to check. If it is same, then we say we agree. If it is not same, then that equality is not correct. That means we will say false. Okay. Here 15 by 40 can be simplified further by cancelling with their HCF. Their HCF is 5. 5 3s are 5 8s are. Thus 3 by 8 is equals to 3 by 8. It is true. So we agree and say. And coming to the next question, 17th question, 4:7 is equal to 20:35. They are saying that they are in proportion. Let us check. 4 by 7 or 4:7 is same. 20:35. We can simplify that with their HCF. We cancel. 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35. Therefore, 4:7 is equals to 4:7, and it is true. We agree with that and write true. Then coming on to the next question number 18, 0.2 is to 5, 0.2 upon 5 I am writing, and 2 upon 0.5. They say that they are equal. Whether they are equal or not, we need to identify. See, 0.2 upon 5, if you simplify it, in fact, it becomes, we can simplify 2 by 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. Therefore, this 2 by 10 I will use 2 by 10 upon 5, which means 2 by denominator of the numerator comes to the denominator. It can be brought down. That means it becomes 10 into 5. Now, it can be written as 1 upon 25. 1 upon 25 is 0.04. Okay. Now, we will go for this one, 2 by 0.5, where 0.5 is nothing but 5 by 10. I will use it 2 upon 5 by 10, or I can write this as 1 by 2 also, which means this denominator's denominator will go to the numerator. Okay, it becomes 2 into 10 by 5, or I can write 2 by 1 by 2. This half denominator of that half will go up. It becomes 2 into 2 by 1. Both same. So 2 2s are 4, 4 by 1 is 4. You now compare them. Is 0.04 is equals to 4? Are they same? No, they are not same. So 0.04 is not equals to 4, as they say. So we will not agree here with that equality. So we will say that it is false. Okay, this is the method of comparing. Okay, and how quickly you will calculate, how quickly you will manage with the numbers is your skill. Okay, now we shall move on to the next question. Question number 19. Here they gave 3 is to 33 is equal to 33 is to 333. Now 3 is to 33 is nothing but 1 by 11, whereas 33 is to 333 is 11. It won't go with 11, it just goes with 3 only. 3 11s are 311s. It means 11 upon 111. Are these two equal? Certainly no. So 1 by 11 is not equal to 11 by 111. That means what they said that they are equal will not agree. It is clearly false. Then moving on to the question number 20th. Question number 20th, 15 meter is to 40 meter. Here it can be further simplified. This has 3 is to 5 3s are 5 8s, 3 is to 5. Here 35 meter is to 65 meters. This can be further simplified as 7 is to 13. Are these two equal? No. So it is false. And 21st question, 27 centimeter square is to 57 centimeter square. So 3 9s are and 3 19s are. So 9 is to 19 is the first ratio. Another ratio is here 9 is to 2 9s are 2 19s are. So 9 is to 19. Both are equal, therefore equality is true. We will agree with that, and true it is. Then moving on to the question number 22, 5 kg is to 7.5 kg. 5 kg and 7.5 kg, they both get cancels with 2.5 kg. So 2 is to 3 is the fraction. Now here 7.5 rupee is to 5 rupees. Again 2.5 rupee cancels both, so 3 is to 2. So 2.5 rupee 3 times gives you 7 rupees 50 paise. Are these two equal? 2 is to 3, is it equal to 3 is to 2? No, not at all. Okay, 2 is to 3 not equals to 3 is to 2. You know 3 3 is 9, not equals to 2 2s are 4. Okay, so will not agree with this equality, and we say whatever is given statement is false. Now moving on to the question number 23rd, 20 grams is to 100 grams, and cancelling with the both their HCF of both of them is 20. So 21s are and 25s are, so 1 is to 5, and here 1 meter is to 500 centimeter. So they are not in the same units, we need to bring them into the same units. 1 meter is 100 centimeter, so 100 centimeter is to 500 centimeter. So now 100 ones, 100 5s are, again this gives you 1 is to 5 ratio, where we have already got this as 1 is to 5, both of them are equal. So 1 is to 5 is equals to 1 is to 5, thus we agree with this equality, and we say that this is a true statement. Now moving on to the question number 24th. So 24th, 12 hours is to 30 hours. So both of them will get cancelled with the 6. So 6 2s are 6 5s are. So 2 is to 5 is the ratio corresponding this 12 hours is to 30 hours. Whereas 8 kilometers to 20 kilometers, their HCF is 4. 4 2s are 4 5s are. So 2 is to 5 is equals to 2 is to 5. So 24th, we say that it is true. Then coming to the question number 25th, the ratio of 10 kg is to 100 kg. So 10 kg upon 100 kg is 0 0 cancels, 1 upon 10, it is nothing but 1:10. They say that it is 1:10 only. We agree with this and it is also true. Then moving on to the question number 26. Question number 26. The ratio of 150 centimeter to 1 meter. 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeters. So here on simplification it becomes 3/2 or 1.5 by 1, where he says that it is 1:1.5, but we got 1.5:1. It is 1.5:1, not 1:1.5. So what they said, it is not correct. So we will say that it is false. Okay. Moving on to the question number 27. In question number 27, 25 kg is to 20 grams. You know 25 kg upon 20 grams is equals to 50 kg upon 40 grams. See children, here in fact he transposed these two terminologies or these two terms. If I transpose them, 20 kg by 50 kg is equals to 20 grams upon 40 grams. Now kgs are in one side, grams are in another side of equality. Now ratio of this is 2:5 and ratio of this is 21 and 22. So 1:2. Do you think they are equal? 2:5 is equals to 1:2. So is it 20 grams or 10 grams? They are 25 kg. Oh, here I made a mistake here. 25 kg here and here 25 kg. So it becomes 1:2. So this is 1:2. Both of them are equal. That means we agree with this. 1:2. Here 25 kg is given. Na? I took 20 kg. Wrong, it is 25 kg I supposed to take. So 25 kg is to 50 kg is 1:2. Okay. So 1:2 equals to 1:2. It is true. So I can transpose. You know, you have learnt in proportion we have got alternando, componendo, dividendo. Okay. So we are taking here alternando. So alternando is alterating the terms. Okay. So with that we got this proportion true. Okay. Then moving on to the question number 28. The ratio of 1 hour to 1 day. 1 hour, 1 day 24 hours are there. So 1 hour is to 24 is not equals to 1:1. Therefore we say it is clearly false. Then question number 29. The ratio of 4:16 is in its lowest terms. No, it is not there. Not there. Why it is not there? What is its lowest form? Its lowest form cancels. Both of them, both the numerator and denominator have got their common factor as 4. So it can cancel. So they can get cancelled with that common factor. So 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So their lowest form is 1:4. So this is also false. So moving on to the question number 30th. The ratio of 5:4 is different from 4:5. Yes, they are different. We are agreeing. Yes, they are different. Therefore, his statement is true. 5:4 not equals to 4:5. They are different. Now moving on to the question number 31st. Ratio will always be more than 1. Not correct. Not necessarily. NECESSA necessary. NECESSA or LY necessarily. Not necessarily the ratio being more than 1. If I take 1:2, it is 0.5, which is less than 1. So he says that compulsory they must be less than 1, okay, or more than 1 he says. So, it is false. Then moving on to the question number 32nd, a ratio can be equal to 1. Yes, ratio can be equals to 1. If 2 is to 2, if I have, it is equals to 1. So, it is true, ratio can be equals to 1. Then moving on to the question number 33rd, if B is to A is equals to C is to D, then A, B, C, D are in proportion. No. Why no? Not correct or no? Not correct, as the order of terms is important. So, order of terms plays important role. So, it is false. Okay. Only I say A, B, C, D are in proportion if A is to B equals to C is to D. Order of terms is very important. If at all I want to say for this, B, A, C and D are in proportion. B, A, C, D are in proportion, not A, B, C, D are in proportion. Okay. So, last question of the true or false, and we will wind up today's session with that question. So, 34th question, the two terms of a ratio can be in two different units. No. Units of two ratios, units of two terms of a ratio must be in the same units. So, it is again false. Okay. So, with this we will wind up today's session. Okay. So, till then take care of yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you.